I am very excited to have you on my channel again. Welcome to Lolliqueen Zone, and this is Lolly. Today we are making mayonnaise or cream. We all know mayonnaise as the white creamy condiment used in snacks like burgers, sandwiches, salads, and alongside many other uses. There are some of you here who can't live a day without mayonnaise. And making mayonnaise is that simple. So I want to save these people. It's like their lives depend on mayonnaise, and I want to save them the cost. So let me show you how it's done. But before that, if you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you get notified any other time I post a video.
You're going to need 3 eggs, some vegetable oil, preferably olive oil, but if you don't have any oil goes, any vegetable oil goes, 1 lemon or acidifier like vinegar, and 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt. Cut your lemons into halves and squeeze out the juice, making sure that you are separating the seeds from the juice. You can also use vinegar if you have that. The acidic liquid keeps some of the bacteria at bay, but to make it more safer, you can pasteurize your egg in warm water like around 60 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes before making your mayonnaise. Now separate your egg yolks from your egg whites. Put all your ingredients into a blender and emulsify until it becomes thick and creamy. It may look watery at first, but continue blending. It is the emulsification that turns the liquid oil into a thick, solid, creamy, stable emulsion. The egg, being the emulsifier, is what binds the acidic liquid, which is hydrophilic, and the oil, which is lipophilic, to make the creamy mayonnaise. Emulsification is actually the combination of 2 substances that would have, in actual sense, not combined, like oil and water. From time to time, combine your oil with what is in the blender, and very soon, and with patience, you will get your creamy mayonnaise. You can add mustard seeds as a taste enhancer and any other enhancer that you want to, but this is the basic mayonnaise on the market. Enjoy your day.
Learn something new again. Please know that mayonnaise-based foods like sandwiches and salads shouldn't be left out of the refrigerator for more than 2 hours. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay cool, stay awesome. I love you all so very much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment and share. I'll see you another day. God be with you. Bye.